Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a topic from grammar, that is determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words which are used before nouns to fix or define them. They are also called as word fixers. Or you can say determiners is the word that comes before noun and it helps to introduce the noun or tells us something about noun. You can see these examples. As I told you, determiner will always come before noun. See the examples. A girl, that girl, the girl, all girls, 7 girl. In all these examples, a, 7, that, the, all, these are the examples. These are acting as a determiner which tells us about the noun. गर्ल और गर्ल्स आर द नाउन. सो नाउन से जस्ट पहले जो वर्ड आता है जो हमें नाउन के बारे में बताता है, दैट इज डिटर्मिनर्स. ओके, देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. आर्टिकल्स, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, numeral determiners, quantitative determiners, interrogative determiners. We will deal with all these determiners one by one. Let's start with articles. What are articles? Yes, you all know a and the are the 3 articles we used to use in our grammar. Okay. Articles determines which noun the speaker is referring to. Articles are divided into 2 groups, indefinite articles and definite articles. Among a and the, a and n are the indefinite articles which determines the general noun which is not specific or particular. जो हमें general noun के बारे में बताते हैं a और n, उन्हें हम indefinite articles की कैटेगरी में रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a book is man's best friend. Here, what is the noun? Book. Before book we have written there a. We are using a there. So actually in this sentence we are talking about every book, not any particular book. No name of a specific book is given. So in general when we are talking we make use of a or n. Whereas the is the definite article which determines the specific or particular noun. For example, you can have this sentence, the Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy books of Hinduism. Here in this sentence, we are referring to a particular book, a specific book, that is Bhagavad Gita. So before Bhagavad Gita, we had written there the. Now let's see how to use these indefinite articles. So uses of indefinite articles. There are some key sentences, just keep this in your mind. In a sentence, when noun is singular countable noun and it is not specific, then article a or n is used. Another key sentence for the choose of indefinite article is, these articles are used before those nouns about which nothing has been said earlier. What does it mean? Or you can say that we are talking about that particular noun for the first time. Okay. So whenever we are talking about any noun for the first time, we will mention there just before that noun we will make use of indefinite articles. And what are indefinite articles? A or n. Okay. And that noun before which we will write indefinite articles, that noun should be countable, singular countable nouns. Okay. Now, when you will use n, when you will use a. N is used when noun begins with vowel sound. Remember, vowel sound. I am not saying कि noun start होना चाहिए vowel से. I am saying कि जब हम उस noun को pronounce करेंगे तो उसका जो sound आना चाहिए वो vowel sound आना चाहिए. Like a, e, I, o, u. Or vowel sound means in Hindi all the swar a, e, u, ए ओ aha, all the swar का sound जो आएगा that will be your vowel sound. So before that we will write n. For example, an ant, an ox, an hour. HOUR, but hour नहीं बोलते इसको, hour बोलते. So a is the vowel sound. Okay. Next, where we are going to make use of a. A is used for consonant sound. Whenever we are pronouncing the noun and the sound coming is of consonant. Consonant means other than vowels, no? A man, a uniform. You won't have to observe the letter. You have to listen the pronunciation. Uniform, ya. So क से ग तक जो words अक्षर से pronounce हो रहा है, that time that sound will, before that you will write a. A European, again ya. Okay, don't see the alphabet. Listen the sound. Now let's deal with certain examples. I have got a friend in Canada. The first key thing I told you that we will talk about the noun for the first time. Okay, so any of the friend, it's not any specific, general is there. Okay, and again in friend, what kind of sound? Consonant sound, f. Okay, that's why we are using there a. Another sentence, an umbrella has been found in playground. It could be any umbrella. Okay, we are not talking about any specific. In general we are saying. And umbrella, again a is a vowel sound. That's why it is written there n, a-n-n. Third sentence, once there was a king called Nal. Again we are talking about that king for the first time. That's why a king. We haven't talked about this king earlier. Okay. Next, we have a well at our house. Again, for about that well we are talking for the first time. That's why it is written there a. He owns an auto rickshaw and 2 taxis. Auto rickshaw, a. That's why n. A baby can't look after itself. A baby, a is the determiner telling us about the any baby. Okay. Now the definite articles. Definite articles under which what will come? What is there? The. Okay. The we are going to use when we are going to point any particular person or thing. Any particular, any specific person or thing. How to use that definite articles? Let's read a passage to learn about its use. A hunter was walking in a forest. In this sentence, hunter we are introducing for the first time. We had not talked about this hunter earlier. That's why a hunter is the determiner we are using here. Suddenly he saw a tiger coming out of bush. Again tiger is the noun we are using first time. That's why it is written there a tiger. He fired his gun at the tiger. Again second time we are making use of tiger. So here second time if we are using, we can write there the. Okay, we are not talking for the first time. Second time we are talking. So we had written here the tiger. It was hit but not killed. The hunter. Again second time we are using. We are not using hunter first time. That's why we can write here the. The hunter raised his gun to shoot at the tiger. Again but the gun. Gun is also already used earlier. That's why the gun fell from his hand. So in this passage, the definite article the is used with noun that are repeated after they have been introduced earlier. Means पहले एक बार उनको बारे में उन nouns को बताया गया, उसके बारे में use हो चुका. So after then when that same noun is repeating, we will make use of the there. But if we are introducing it first time, so that time we will make use of indefinite articles. Let's see some other sentences as an examples. The president is arriving. Now president will be any specific only. It can't be in general. Okay, so before president what we will write? The. The post office is near from my house. Again post office is only nearby my office house, and nothing, no other office. Okay, please close the door, particular door. Another sentence, the sun sets in the west. Again a particular object sun is setting in a particular direction. That's why before sun and west, the is used. The Sikh are very brave race. Again a particular community, that's why the. Africa is one of the poorest continent. Again a specific, we are talking about a specific kind of continent, that is the. Therefore we are writing there the. Now the second kind of determiner, that is demonstrative determiner. Demonstrating means indicate. So this determiner is used to indicate or point to the position or location of a noun. Now what are the different demonstrative determiner? These, that, these, those. Now where we are going to use all these determiners? See, this is used when the noun is singular and near to us. That is used when the noun is singular but far from us. These is used when the noun is plural and near to us. Those when we are going to use when noun is plural but far from us. It will be more clear when we deal with the exemplar sentences. See, I want to go to that movie, pointing to a particular movie there. So that is the demonstrative determiner. This book is mine. Book is the noun, singular noun, and this is pointing towards the book. So this is the demonstrative determiner. That restaurant was very beautiful. Again, restaurant is the noun and that is specifying that restaurant. So that's why that is the demonstrative determiner. These books are mine. So these, in this sentence, these books are the plural noun. These is pointing to books. So these is the demonstrative determiner. Good. These buildings are very tall. Again, buildings are the noun and that word is noun, and before that what we had written? These. So this is the demonstrative determiner. Those mangoes are very sweet. Mangoes are is the noun and before that those. So those is the demonstrative determiner. I hope these two determiners what we discussed is clear to you all. Students, solve many more exemplar sentences to get it more clear.